friends, I am Nandini. I am from Third BTech CSC in Missionary Institute of Technology. In this video, I am going to tell about main concepts of JavaScript like callbacks, promises, async await, and to-do list using closures. Now we will see what is closure. Closures. Closures are unique and powerful features of JavaScript. Now coming to callback. This is my callback code. Now we will see what is callback. Callback it is a function which passes a argument to another function and it manages a callback related functionals. See, this is my entire code of callback. See, I will write a function get user details and that argument will pass the parameters user id callbacks and we will write console.log fetching user details in callback is a function, right? We will pass the arguments of another functions like user details id user id name full stack and get user details here. See, in this way we'll get user details. This is my entire code of callback JS. See, we'll use set timeout and by default we will get the 1 comma user. Now to run this program we want to go to new terminal and we'll give node callbacks.js. Now we will get output fetching user details id 1 name full stack 501. This is output of callbacks.js. Now we will go to promises. Promises which are most structured to handle asynchronous operations. Promises have 3 states. They are reject, pending and reduce. It also manages promise based functions. See, this is my entire code of promises.js. Get user details if user id resolve. See, resolve is a one state and reject is in another state. See, resolve and reject. If user id not provided it will reject and in this way we will get user details fetching get user details. If we get an error it will be catch. Now we will execute promises.js. It will give output 1 user id and full stack. Now we will go to this is my code. Now async await JS. It is a more errorless topic in JavaScript. It also demonstrates async await operations. See, earlier before async function we write the code in synchronous. After async functions we write code in this way. In async functions we have try and catch. See, if there is any error it will catch us error. In try we write const user get user details and user details fetches the details. If there is an error it will go into error. Now we will run this program. Async await. See, we will get output fetching user details id 1 name full stack 501. Now we will create to-do list using closures. This is my main file index.js. Now Firstly, we all keep these files in the same folder to exit to come correct program. See here to do list in to-do-list, and we will write functions like const overdue. See overdue, const due today, const due today, next one due later, const tools playlist. This is my entire code of index.js, which is main program to create to-do list using closures. See, this is my entire. Now we will execute this program, all this program. And if there is a errors, it will catches the error. See, now we will execute node index.js. We'll get an output in this way: overdue, no items, due today, parent, services vehicle. This is my entire output of index.js. In this way, we will create to-do list using closures.